Translating sequences with Captioneer is a breeze. You can drop in a translated captions file, hit update, and all your text instantly updates. It's best to have a human translate captions, but I'll also show you how to quickly translate for free using Google Sheets and Captioneer. I want to translate this entire sequence, and I don't want to redo any of the timing or graphic edits I already made. Come up to the Text Graphics tab and export a CSV file. I'll export that to my desktop. Open that CSV file in Google Sheets, and it has 5 columns with all the text and time codes from our Mogurts: start time, end time, text, video track, and layer ID. We can insert another column and write equals Google Translate, and then select the one cell to the left. Next, we need to insert a 2-letter language code. These are a standardized universal format, and here are some examples on screen. First, write the 2-letter language code that you're translating from. I'm translating from English, which is EN. Add a comma, and now we choose a language to translate to. I'll write JA for Japanese. Close parentheses and hit enter. Drag down from the corner of the cell, and it'll translate every single line. To change to another language, like French, just change that first cell language code, and then drag down again. Copy the translated column, and then select the text column and right-click it. Select Paste Values, and then delete the formula column. You can now download the translated CSV. Come back to Premiere and import the new CSV. Target a track, hit Update, and all your text has been translated. It's that easy to translate a sequence with CSVs in Captioneer.
This is a penny, that is the Eiffel Tower, and I have 7 days to use this penny to get back to America. Dang, not a bad first take. That was a good first take.
In the next video, I'll go over the auto-scale to frame size feature that's included with Premiere and the one that's included with Captioneer for Mogurts.